If you're over 50 and you've noticed your muscles feeling weaker, your energy dropping, or your body taking longer to recover, you are not alone. In fact, after the age of 50, most adults lose 1 to 2% of muscle mass every single year if nothing is done about it. Doctors call this age-related muscle loss, and it's one of the biggest reasons seniors struggle with balance, strength, and independence later in life. But here's the good news. With the right nutrients at the right time, especially at night, your body can still build and protect muscle even while you sleep. Today, I'll share two powerful nighttime vitamins that support muscle growth for people over 50. And just as important, I'll expose common everyday foods that quietly damage aging muscles and what to eat instead. Why nighttime matters for muscle repair. Most people think muscle growth only happens in the gym. That's only half the story. For adults over 50, muscle repair happens mostly at night during deep sleep. This is when your body releases growth hormones, repairs muscle fibers, and restores strength. But here's the problem. As we age, nutrient absorption becomes weaker, sleep quality declines, inflammation increases, and muscles become less responsive to protein. That means even if you're eating healthy, your muscles may still be starving for the nutrients they need to rebuild. This is where nighttime vitamins become extremely important. Nighttime vitamin number 1, magnesium, the muscle relaxer and builder. The first nighttime vitamin every adult over 50 should know about is magnesium. Magnesium is essential for muscle relaxation, protein synthesis, reducing nighttime cramps, and improving deep sleep quality. Studies show that low magnesium levels are strongly linked to muscle weakness, poor sleep, and increased inflammation in older adults. At night, magnesium helps your muscles fully relax, allowing proper repair and growth while you sleep. Best natural food sources of magnesium include pumpkin seeds, almonds, spinach, and avocados. For many seniors, food alone is not enough, especially if digestion is weak. That's why doctors often recommend magnesium in the evening, about 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. The silent muscle killers hiding in everyday foods. Now let's talk about something most people never suspect. Some foods don't just slow muscle growth, they actively destroy muscle tissue over time, especially after 50. These foods cause chronic inflammation, insulin resistance, poor protein absorption, and faster muscle breakdown. Examples include refined white bread, sugary snacks and desserts, processed vegetable oils, and packaged low-fat foods. These foods spike blood sugar, increase inflammation, and block the nutrients your muscles need to rebuild. What to eat instead? Muscle-safe swaps. Instead of muscle-damaging foods, focus on whole grains like oats and quinoa, healthy fats from olive oil and nuts, high-quality proteins such as eggs, fish, and Greek yogurt, and leafy green vegetables. These foods reduce inflammation and support nighttime muscle repair. Nighttime vitamin number 2, vitamin D, the muscle protector hormone. Now let's talk about the second nighttime vitamin that becomes critical after age 50, vitamin D. Most people think vitamin D is only for bones, but research shows vitamin D directly affects muscle strength, muscle size, and balance, especially in older adults. After 50, the body produces less vitamin D from sunlight, absorbs less vitamin D from food, loses vitamin D faster due to inflammation. Low vitamin D levels are linked to muscle weakness, higher fall risk, slower muscle recovery, and poor coordination. At night, vitamin D works with magnesium to activate muscle protein synthesis, reduce muscle inflammation, and support hormone balance during sleep. This is why many health experts recommend taking vitamin D in the evening with a light meal, especially for seniors. Best natural food sources of vitamin D. Food sources matter, but very few foods naturally contain enough vitamin D. The best options include fatty fish like salmon and sardines, egg yolks, fortified milk or plant-based milk, and mushrooms exposed to sunlight. For many adults over 50, doctors recommend vitamin D supplementation because deficiency is extremely common, even in sunny climates. Why magnesium plus vitamin D work better together? Here's something most people don't know. Without magnesium, vitamin D cannot be activated properly in the body. Magnesium helps convert vitamin D into its usable form. That means taking both at night creates a powerful muscle-protecting partnership. Together, they improve sleep quality, reduce nighttime muscle breakdown, support stronger muscles and joints, and improve morning energy. This combination is especially helpful for seniors who feel stiff, weak, or sore when waking up. Hidden foods that steal vitamin D from your body. Now let's expose another silent danger. Certain foods don't just lack nutrients, they actually block vitamin D absorption. These include sugary sodas and soft drinks, highly processed fast foods, excess alcohol, and artificial sweeteners. These foods increase inflammation and interfere with fat absorption, which is essential for vitamin D to work. What to eat instead for better vitamin D absorption? Choose foods that support vitamin D and muscle health. Healthy fats like olive oil and avocado, fatty fish 2 to 3 times per week, eggs instead of sugary breakfasts, water or herbal tea instead of soda. These simple swaps dramatically improve how your body uses nighttime vitamins. What's coming next? In the next part, I'll share the ideal nighttime routine for muscle growth after 50, the best timing for these vitamins, and common mistakes seniors make that stop muscle growth completely. Why routine matters more than exercise after 50. At this stage of life, what you do consistently matters more than how hard you exercise. Many adults over 50 try to work out harder but ignore sleep timing, nutrient timing, and recovery. The truth is, muscle growth after 50 depends more on your nighttime routine than your daytime effort. Your body needs signals, calm signals, to switch from stress mode into repair mode. The perfect nighttime muscle building routine. Let's walk through a simple, senior-friendly routine that supports muscle repair naturally. Step 1. Light evening movement, not heavy exercise. About 1 to 2 hours before bed, gentle movement helps muscles absorb nutrients later. Best options: slow walking, light stretching, chair yoga, simple balance exercises. This improves circulation without increasing stress hormones. Avoid heavy workouts late at night. They raise cortisol and block muscle repair. Step 2. Muscle supporting evening meal. Your last meal of the day should be light but nourishing. Best nighttime foods for seniors: eggs or Greek yogurt, steamed vegetables, a small portion of fish, healthy fats like olive oil. Avoid heavy fried foods, large portions of red meat, sugary desserts. These foods slow digestion and disrupt sleep, reducing muscle recovery. Step 3. The correct timing for nighttime vitamins. Now the key moment. For best results, take magnesium about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Take vitamin D with your evening meal. This timing allows better absorption, deeper sleep, stronger overnight muscle repair. Always start with low doses and follow medical advice, especially if you take medications. Step 4. Sleep environment equals muscle medicine. Sleep is not passive. For adults over 50, sleep is active healing time. Improve muscle repair by keeping the room cool and dark, turning off screens 1 hour before bed, using calm lighting in the evening, sleeping and waking at the same time daily. Even small improvements in sleep quality can significantly improve muscle strength over time. Common mistakes that stop muscle growth after 50. Many seniors unknowingly block their own progress. Top mistakes include skipping dinner to lose weight, drinking alcohol at night, taking supplements randomly, going to bed too late, relying on processed protein snacks. These habits increase inflammation and muscle breakdown. What's coming next? In the final part, I'll explain how long it takes to see real muscle improvement, warning signs your body is nutrient deficient, safe expectations for strength after 50, and a simple message of encouragement for long-term health. Type continue when you're ready for part 4, the final. How long does it take to see muscle improvement after 50? One of the most common questions seniors ask is, when will I actually feel stronger? Here's the honest, science-based answer. Most adults over 50 notice better sleep within 5 to 7 days, less morning stiffness in 2 to 3 weeks, improved strength and balance in 4 to 6 weeks. Muscle growth after 50 is slower than in youth, but it is absolutely possible with consistency. Small improvements add up to big changes over time. Warning signs your body is lacking muscle-building nutrients. Your body gives quiet signals before serious weakness develops. Watch for frequent nighttime leg cramps, constant fatigue, weak grip strength, trouble standing up from a chair, poor sleep quality. These are often signs of magnesium or vitamin D deficiency, not just normal aging. Ignoring these signs allows muscle loss to accelerate. Safe expectations for strength after 50. Let's be realistic and encouraging. The goal is not to look like a bodybuilder. The real goal is standing up easily, walking confidently, carrying groceries, preventing falls, staying independent. With the right nighttime nutrients, food choices, and sleep habits, many seniors regain functional strength they thought was gone forever. Foods that quietly protect muscles long-term. To maintain results, focus on eggs and fish for protein, leafy greens for minerals, nuts and seeds for magnesium, healthy fats for hormone balance, plenty of water for circulation. Avoid extremes. Simple, consistent nutrition wins every time. Final words of encouragement. If you're over 50 and worried about muscle loss, remember this. Your body is not broken. It's just asking for better care at the right time of day. Nighttime is your healing window. By supporting your body with magnesium, vitamin D, clean foods, and quality sleep, you give your muscles the tools they need to rebuild safely and naturally. Gentle reminder. Always speak with your healthcare provider before starting new supplements, especially if you take medications or have chronic conditions. Closing call to action. If this video helped you, like, share it with someone over 50, and subscribe for trusted senior health guidance. Thank you for spending this time with me. Take care of your body. It's still capable of amazing strength.